Yes. So the agenda for the first meeting, it is the introductory meeting. So brief on IIC I am going to share. Then a review of IIC quarter 3 activities, which is January 21 to March 21. Krishna will share. Proposal for upcoming activities also Krishna will share. And then we'll have a discussion on, the entire panel is requested to suggest for the expansion of our IIC, as we want to include external members also in the IIC as per the guideline given by this MHRD directives. We'll have to follow that. And if some more things are to be discussed, this is a very brief agenda for today's discussion. So let us go to the next. The Ministry of Education of Government of India has established this innovation cell, and there were two prime mottos of that. One is fostering the innovation culture amongst all the higher education institutes, and the second is to design the ranking system. These are the motto of their innovation cells. To design the ranking system to identify institutions in the forefront based on the innovation. So with these two motto, MHRD has asked the higher education institutes to form the IIC, and they have given us a portal also to have an interlinking between all the IICs. Next. So MIC initiatives are Atal Ranking, Smart India Hackathon, Institutions Innovation Sale, then Kalam Program for IP Literacy and Awareness, Yukti to support the innovations, and National Innovation and Startup Policy. These are the initiatives, and therefore we have started this IIC. Next, please. Next. This is their team. Yes. So why these higher educational institutes should establish IIC? There are very good advantages if IIC is established. The very first is around the year guided activities will be there. They are guiding us. They are planning the activities for us. I mean, in which quarter, what is to be conducted, they are guiding. Of course, according to their process, we should guide that, and then we should explore what all motivation given by them. The next is what the MHRD directive says, that much capital investment is not required because college has got premises and students and faculty as a workforce. So we can very well establish the IICs. Then exclusive FDP and SDP programs for IICs as the ambassador training program, mentoring sessions will be organized through IIC only. Then exclusive contest like National Innovation Contest. Typically, the hackathons will be arranged for the students. Then they also provide the platform for ranking, national platform for the achievements. Next. So Institute Innovation Cells. This is for activities related to problem solving, design thinking, IPR, project handling. This is to be inculcated in students. So innovation cell is essential in higher education institutes. As per the guidance of MHRD, as per the guidance of MIC and Central Ministry of Education, we are following their directives and we are having this IIC. Next. So who can establish IIC? It is not all the higher education institutes can establish the IIC. They have given certain eligibility criteria as to which college can go for IIC. So the criteria are having pre-incubation centers, participating in Atal rankings, participating in NIRF, NBA, NAC accreditations, TechUp3 funding, and government funded deemed university. And higher education institutes offering non-technical programs also can establish IIC if they are following the eligibility criteria as we discussed just now. So we are one of that. Next. Now throughout the India, 2,445 institutes have this IICs. Next. Sorry, 427 institutes have IIC. This is a certification. The next slide shows the certification given to our college IIC. Next. And this is, we are going through all this. Professor Agrawal Madam is the convener of this IIC. Innovation Activity Coordinator will be handled by Sathe sir. Startup activity will be handled by Kabra madam. Internship coordinator, Dr. R.M. Damgir sir. IPR activity coordinator, Bhalchandra madam. Media coordinator, Chakkarwar madam. Atal ranking, Krishna. NIRF, Gandle madam. And members are Nikalji sir and Swami sir. So I welcome you all. This is the first meet of IIC 3.0. Basically, when I heard this 3.0, it is the version of IIC. Earlier, we had IIC 1.0 and 2.0. Now 3.0, they have given us the portal access and we are supposed to upload whatever activities we do it in our campus, in our IIC, are to be uploaded as per their norms on their portal. So I think that is the facility given by IIC 3.0. Now I will hand over to Krishna so that he can discuss the second point of agenda, the activities. Krishna, please, over to you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am. Good evening, all. I'm Krishna Milkandhar here, working as an incubation manager at Ankur Jika Incubation Center Foundation, which is an incubation center at our institute. So, as per Madam told that IIC 3.0 stands for the third year of this IIC initiative by MHRD. So, it's now renamed as the Ministry of Education. So, they have started it in 2018 and